All right, it is time to start calendar today. So, as we can see, we've made it through almost the entire month of April. And what I'm seeing here is that our message today says, "Good morning, friends. Today is Monday, April 27th, 2020." And then it also says, "Happy birthday to Leaf and Logan," because today is their birthday. On our calendar, we also have our birthday for Trevor on the 2nd, and then we have Elsie and Otto's birthday, that was the 17th. So we have 3 birthday hats on our month calendar. You can also see on the calendar that now that we're almost through the whole month, you can really see that there's an A-B pattern. We have orange, yellow, and it keeps repeating through the group. Maybe for May, we'll change it up for our pattern. Let's move on to our date sentences. So if today is the 27th, I always like to start with present. So we're going to find the word today. So is it this one? Today. Oop, I see it. Today. Today is Monday, April 27th. So let's put that number in first. Then we can change it up. We know that the word yesterday means before. So what number comes before the 27th? Meaning what was Sunday? Sunday was April 26th because 6 comes before 7. And then this is easy. Now we just simply count on 26, 27, 28. So we are saying that tomorrow will be Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. That's the nice part about finding numbers in order. Once you find one and you find the one that comes before or after, then it's easier to count on or to count backwards because your brain gets into a groove of patterns. All right, on to the next. So we're still in the season of spring. We're going to be in the season of spring till June. We're like right smack dab in the middle of it. So the season is still spring, and today's weather is, now I looked it up. I'm going to show you what it says. It says that we're going to have some heavy rain showers today and that it's going to be a high of 61. So it's actually going to be kind of nice temperature-wise outside, but it's supposed to rain again. And I had the same problem last time I did this with you guys. I said it was raining and then it didn't for most of the day. I went up and I looked on another site, and right now it's 9 a.m. that I'm sending this out to you guys, and it's saying that it's partly cloudy, so it's not raining yet. And it's not supposed to rain all the way until 1 o'clock in the afternoon. That's when it's supposed to start raining. So you might be watching this in the morning and going, "Miss Highway, it's not raining." Or you might be watching this in the afternoon going, "It is raining right now." That's weather for you. So we're going to say that today is supposed to rain, which when we look at our graph is now kind of the normal pattern for us. So we're going to say today's weather is rainy. And I'm going to move that kind of into the middle because it's not supposed to be super cold today. It's actually supposed to be kind of nice. All you need is a light jacket kind of a feeling. So if I go to my graph, well, guess what? We've only done this 3 times this whole month. And every time it has been raining. What is happening? I'm sure that if I had done this every day with us, like when we would be at school, we'd have a very different graph going. But here we are, 3 days of rain on our calendar days. All right, so today is the 27th day of school. So as you can see, I put, and I'm even going to move me a little bit. I put the number 27 here, and I made our problem go backwards. And the reason I did that is because we should be able to read an addition fact going forwards as well as going backwards. So we're saying 27 is the same as, or 27 equals what plus what? Well, I made it easy for us to look at first. The first thing we want to know is how many groups of 10 are in the number 27. I see one group of 10 and I see 2 groups of 10. So 10, 20. So I'm going to say 27 equals 20 plus what? Well, how many is left over in our number 27. So now I'm going to take my orange and I'm going to count on. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 20. Ooh, I might have to switch to my blues. 25, 26, 27. So as you can see, I had two groups of 10s, or I had a group of 20. I'm even going to show that. So there's my group of 20. How many more do I have left over? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 27 is 20 plus 7. That's the easiest way to find those addition facts, is to find how many groups of 10 there are and then how many is left over. And speaking of place value, let's keep going with our days of school, because this is the same thing. How many groups of 100, how many groups of 10, how many more left over? So if I looked at our calendar, today is actually the 100th, 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 161, 62. Today is day 162 in our class. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add in a text box for us just so that I can have that. So where's my text box? Let's add one here. So we're going to say 1. I'm going to make that bigger. Definitely bigger. There we go. Now we can see it. 162. 162. One group of 100, 6 groups of 10, and 2 ones left over. 162. And the way that we're just going to finish our practice for today is looking at a place value song. So go ahead, as the end of our calendar, go ahead and take a second. We're going to listen to kind of a funny place value song just to remind us what all those places are.
Ones, tens, hundreds, say ones, tens, hundreds, say ones, tens, hundreds, every time it happens every time. Start with the ones place. That's the first place. First in line, it's first in line. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next digit's 9. Next digit's 9. I got one more. There's that one. Now I got 10. Now I got 10. 1 in the tens place. That's the second space. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. Ones, tens, hundreds, say ones, tens, hundreds, say ones, tens, hundreds, every time. Every time it happens every start with the ones place. Where's that ones place? First in line. It's first in line. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next digit's 9. What's after 9? Back to the tens place. That's the second space. But what's to the left? Do you know what's to the left? Let's just count it. We'll count by tens to see what's next. Here we go now. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. What comes after 90? I think I get 100. That's 10 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. I know it is 100. And that's 10 tens. Everybody. Ones, hundreds place. The hundreds place. It's third in line. It's third in line. You'll always get there. Get to 100. After 99. After 99. The hundreds place. The hundreds place. It's third in line. It's third in line. You'll always get there. Get to 100. After 99. 99. Ones, tens, ones, tens, hundreds, say ones, tens, ones, tens, hundreds, say ones, tens, hundreds every